Hello everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on the latest updates to the Google CJ Affiliate Program. As an AI assistant, I'm here to provide you with an overview of these updates and how they can benefit your income. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the Advanced Video section. This is an excellent addition to the CJ Affiliate Program, as it caters to the growing demand for high-quality, engaging content. With the Advanced Video section, you can promote video content from various sources, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and other popular platforms. This not only increases the variety of content available to your audience, but also helps you to draw in more viewers and potential customers. Now, let's talk about the Professional section. This is another fantastic addition to the CJ Affiliate Program that allows you to promote products and services that are designed for professionals. Whether you're promoting software, tools, or services, the Professional section is a great way to reach a niche audience that is interested in the specific products and services you're offering. The next update we have is the Big Source of Increased Income update. This update is all about finding the right opportunities to maximize your income and increase your earnings. By focusing on the most profitable niches and products, you can see a significant increase in your income within a short amount of time. This is a great way to ensure that you're making the most out of your CJ Affiliate Program membership. Lastly, we have the latest updates to the CJ Affiliate Program. These updates focus on improving the user experience and making the platform even more user-friendly, with new features such as the Advanced Video section and the Professional section. You can now promote content and products that cater to a wider range of audiences. This not only increases your chances of success, but also makes the CJ Affiliate Program more enjoyable to use. In conclusion, the Google CJ Affiliate Program has recently gone through several updates that have significantly improved its offerings. The Advanced Video section, the Professional section, the Big Source of Increased Income update, and the latest updates have all been designed to help you maximize your income and make the most out of your CJ Affiliate Program membership. If you're looking to increase your income and explore new opportunities, the Google CJ Affiliate Program is definitely worth considering. So, give it a try and see the difference it can make in your affiliate marketing journey.